we gonna go?
We're gonna take a super secret Gibson Ranch Road over to Dirt Road and ride all the way up to the casino, surpassing all this ridiculous congestion.
Whoa! Passing everyone in the shoulder.
We're so badass.
It's only because this guy did it, though.
Society starts falling apart when shit like this happens.
Oh!
This is how it begins.
The apocalypse.
The fall of Western society. When people stop obeying traffic laws.
Ah! That sucks. That's why we're going this way. Dirt road bypass. You can see the traffic
like
over there.
I don't know how correct this thing is. That was a nice tight little section. That was fun. Shoot.
That's a big tree, man.
That works.
That's how we get through. This is a tight squeeze.
Welcome to the falls.
Oh yeah. We got Triscuits and cheese and the life straw.
Sir, how would you like your water? Flowing or falling?
Falling, please. I would like the falling water.
Shaken or stirred?
Both. The freshest water around here from these falls. So good. It tastes so good, honestly. Hey. Jeez Louise. She's crazy. Ride?